right, so here's the box that it came in. It's like Christmas time all over again. Hey guys, it's Angel. I'm super excited because today we get to do a wok unboxing. Now I've partnered with Made in Cookware to bring you this awesome video and show you guys how to unbox and season their blue carbon steel wok. Now for those of you who know me, you'll know that I love wok cooking, and honestly, if I had to start all over again and could only pick one piece of cookware for my kitchen, it would be a flat bottom wok. Now why a wok? Because I can do awesome stir fries, I can cook veggies in under 5 minutes, and because everything cooks so quickly, it also preserves the nutrients. With the flat bottom option, I can also sear meats if I'd like, and make scrambled eggs. So it kind of acts like a frying pan as well. Now, since seasoning does take a little bit of time, let's go ahead and jump right in and get started. Okay, here's the box that it came in. It is like Christmas time all over again. So I'm just gonna unbox and open it. Wow. Here it says made in, meet your new wok. Get ready to cause a stir in your kitchen. Wow, okay. So, it came pretty well packaged. And this is what it looks like. It's got some nice heft to it. And just in case you're wondering, it weighs a little over 4 pounds. So according to the instructions, the first thing we'll want to do is wash the pan with soap and water. And I'm just gonna do this in my sink. So this pan was actually shipped with a little bit of oil coating, so we need to really scrub off that oil coating as best as we can. And guys, don't be shy to do this for a bit. Make sure you get a really good scrub on it. This will just make the seasoning better and give your pan a nicer patina. And once we've dried it with the paper towel, I am just gonna put the pan over the stove over medium heat for a few minutes just to let all the water evaporate. The next step is where we coat the wok's interior with wax. I'm using Made In's carbon steel seasoning wax, but you can also use oil as well. I'll start by adding a bit of wax to a paper towel, and I'm carefully adding a light coating of the wax to the interior of the hot pan. Make sure you use a light and even coating, and don't be alarmed if there's smoke during this process because that's how we're going to achieve the non-stick seasoning. Next, place a sheet pan on the lower rack lined with aluminum foil to catch any excess oil and preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Then bake the pan face down for an hour to allow the seasoning to bake on the wok. Okay, now that the pan is done seasoning, I'm just going to open up the oven and let the pan cool on the rack. And be careful guys, because the pan is hot. And now that the pan is cool completely to the touch, this is what it looks like fully seasoned. You can think of the patina as something cooked by you over time with love. And now the final step is to cook food in the wok, so let's give it a test drive, shall we? So after cooking with this for the first time, I actually cannot wait to use it more. I think over time the patina will become more and more beautiful and deep. It'll have a nice luster to it. And overall, the 3 things that I really like about this pan is that it was easy to season. 2, you can use metal utensils on it. I love using my wok spatula to do wok cooking. And lastly, I like how there's exceptional heat control and retention to this pan. And just look at this luster. I'm Angel, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about today's sponsor, Made In, I will leave a link in the video description below. Until then, take care guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.